In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve quadratic equations using the calculator. So let's just go for a quadratic equation. Let's go with y equals x squared plus 5x plus 6. Now, we've already been solving equations like this, but usually they're equal to 0. That means we're trying to find where are the x-intercepts. So when you see an equation like this, 0 equals x squared plus 5x plus 6, usually you would factorize that to solve this. Now, I'm going to show you how to do this on the ClassPad as a checking device. Alright, so I've just loaded up the Casio calculator here. I can't fit the whole thing on this screen, so you'll just have to bear with me. Now, when you load the calculator, you go to Menu, and there is a tab here called Equation. So if you just use the cursor arrows to click on the equation, you've then got a choice of equations to solve. The first one, if you press F1, is simultaneous equations. F2 is polynomial, and F3 is just a normal solver. So you would solve simultaneous equations with F1, and with F3 you would solve equations like y equals 2x plus 1, or something like that. Sorry, not y equals 2x plus 1 equals 7. Alright, now let's concentrate on this polynomial. When we click on the F2, which is the polynomial, it then says, do you want polynomial of degree 2 or 3? We're looking at quadratics, so we are looking at degree 2. So I'm just going to type F1 here. Now what happens is it opens up a matrix. Now you may not have done matrices before, but that doesn't matter. A matrix works where the values in each of the spaces, so this bit here which I'm highlighting here, this is where we would put the coefficient of the x squared, because that's the column for A. Where it's got the column for B, this is where we'd put the coefficient for x. And the column for C is where we would put the coefficient or the value of C. So if I was going to solve x squared plus 5x. X squared means that A is 1, plus the 5x, B is 5, and then plus 6, the constant was 6. I'm solving that. Now, you can see I've got 1, and it matches the equation 1x squared plus 5x plus 6 equals 0. Now, when I go to F1, that will solve it for me, and it gives me two values for the x, which is -2 and -3.